So this is Harper. I got a new upper back from Adam's Arms after my old upper failed to work multiple times. They didn't replace it, but they finally replaced the entire upper, and we're gonna see how it works with my lower. Finally see if it works. My other upper couldn't function all the way through a 30 round magazine, not once. So we'll see how this one does. Should work okay. But this is PMC bronze, brass case, 55 grain, 223 Remington, and I have this on my DPMS lower. So here we go. 30 rounds. Not a hitch. Worked great.